5 creatures, all real, all gone. One crushed crocodiles, one trusted humans, and vanished. And one might come back, they weren't legends, they lived. And number 5, its story isn't over yet. Imagine a snake so big it could eat crocodiles, not in movies, in real life. 50 million years ago, Titanoboa ruled the rivers of South America. This beast stretched up to 47 feet long, weighed over a ton, and was as thick as an oil drum. It hunted like a modern boa, squeezing prey to death, but its meals weren't mice. They were crocodiles. A global cooling event may have changed its tropical habitat, and for a cold-blooded predator, that meant extinction. Fossils were uncovered in a Colombian coal mine in 2009, and the world was stunned. One vertebra was the size of a dinner plate. You have seen its face on t-shirts and tattoos, but Smilodon, the saber-toothed tiger, was far more terrifying than any lion today. With 8-inch curved fangs and massive forelimbs, it could wrestle bison, camels, even baby mammoths to the ground. It roamed the Americas during the Ice Age and vanished around 10,000 years ago. A deadly trio: climate change, prey loss, and the rise of human hunters. It wasn't just the cold that killed it, it was everything changing at once. You have heard the phrase, as dead as a dodo, but the story behind this bird is heartbreaking. The dodo lived peacefully on the island of Mauritius. No predators, no fear, no idea what was coming. When sailors arrived in the 1600s, they brought rats, pigs, and hunger. The dodo didn't run, it walked toward the humans, curious. And that was its end. By the mid-1600s, the dodo was gone. The last confirmed sighting was in 1662, though tradition marks extinction in 1681. It went extinct simply by trusting us. The great auk looked like a penguin but lived in the North Atlantic, flightless and awkward on land, but fast and graceful underwater. It was hunted relentlessly for its feathers, meat, and oil. By the 1800s, collectors saw them as trophies. In 1844, the final pair was spotted off the coast of Iceland. They were clubbed to death while sitting on their single egg. And guess what? Their preserved bodies now sell for millions by the same species that killed them. The woolly mammoth, a giant shaggy elephant, walked beside humans for thousands of years. It vanished around 4,000 years ago. But the story isn't over. In Siberian permafrost, scientists found mammoth bodies frozen perfectly. DNA is still intact. Now, using advanced gene editing, researchers are trying to bring them back. This isn't sci-fi. Harvard scientists are already working on it. Combine mammoth genes with Asian elephants to create a new mammoth. But could they survive in today's warming world? Or are we just rewriting history without learning from it? We have seen animals that crushed, hunted, trusted, and were betrayed. Some died by nature's hand, but most died because of us. And extinction isn't just history, it's happening right now. So if these stories amazed you, imagine what we might lose next. Subscribe to Ecoville because nature's secrets deserve to be told. before they disappear forever.